Hi everybody, my name is Michael and I'm a full-time trader. I want to show you a very easy way to scalp on NASDAQ, the NQ index, and that is just using support and resistance levels, nothing else. And I use what I call visual support and resistance levels, so I just draw them where I think that it makes sense. So let's say that we start the week around here. I will just, for the sake of purpose, use this one here. And then I will start to draw my support and resistance levels. I will start here, like this. And the next one here. And the next one will be here. Or this. And the next one will be here. Probably up here. Something like this. And the next one here. And the last one down here. So now we have the levels. I'll draw some more as the price action continues. So let's remove this one here and see. So when the price comes down, you can see here, first resistance levels made a very good reaction. You could say, or I would say that this here is a pretty strong move down, so I wouldn't long here. But here on the next one, you can see it's a very easy long. And now it starts to get interesting because now price after a strong move up and down, price often tends to range. So what I would do that I would wait and see, okay, price start to go down now, which means that this here is some kind of top. So here I would make another little trend line, another little box, and I'll just wait for the price to and price goes up and reject here. When price starts to go down, I'll simply short it and short to where? This support box from here. I will keep this box here going. As you can see, here there is some good bounces that is very likely to long from. And now this box here is no more useful. You can see here it starts to break the box. So we use the next box. Again, bounce, bounce, bounce. All these here are possible to long for the bounce. And up here, you can see now we have two tops here. So this is completely legit to make another box here based on this one and this one. And what happens over here? This here gives a very good short opportunity. Of course, the price will break the box once in a while, it has to do, and then you will lose the trade. But in the meantime, you'll get several 2, 3, 4 INR trades from just trading the bounce of each box. So let's continue. See here, now we have another significant high, which means that a higher high, you can say. It means I will draw a new box here. I just use the bearish candle as how large my box will be. It'll be here. Every time the price makes a new higher high, a new significant new higher higher, new higher low, it's a good place to place the box. Again, short the reaction and continue down. Now you can see it just goes through all the other boxes, which means when there isn't any reaction, you don't trade it. This here is very simple not to trade this one here because there isn't any reaction. So now the price comes down to here, makes a low here, a new low, a higher low, which means that there's a good chance that the price has consolidated. So I would do like this, make a new box, and you can see here price goes up. And where does it stop? Exactly here from one of the old boxes. You can trade this. This is a little bit more risky trade because we are not completely sure where it will stop after such a move here. But it would be a good trade. It gives a good reaction candle as well. But now we know we have this box here because price is going down. So we have a good high here. So we just make this one here and just move it right. And as we can see, we just wait for the next time it hits and we short. And even that it rains a bit here, it continues down. Continue with this box here. It barely hits it, so you can always argue too long but it gives a reaction. Again, we continue this box here, and what happens? Again, new reactions, good places to short. But now this here is our new low. So we make a little box here. We use the whole candle and go this way. And here, as you can see, from this new low, where price, we can determine it's a low because price goes up. And here we get a new reaction and it goes up. And again, we could get another short here from it goes down. What is important when we trade these very simple boxes, boxes that are just drawn from previous highs and lows, is that we don't get greedy and we just trade the reaction. If the price, if the price is often ranging. So when you, for example, let's say we drew this box here, and we'll make a short, because then we can do that here, as a stop loss above here. So don't do something like this. So don't be greedy. You have a perfect box down here, which is the obvious take profit. So do that. And this is a 3.5 hour trade. You can also be less greedy and say, okay, I'm only aiming for 2.5. I want to be sure. That's up to you. But treat these boxes as some small profit at 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 hours, but not more. And you can see when you get, let's say, just a couple of these trades per day, maybe just one, then you can easily afford, for example, now here price goes up, as there is not much reaction, but even if you have chose to short here, the price will go against you and you will end in 1 hour loss. That doesn't matter because you would still have all these good trades from this reaction, this reaction, this reaction, and so on. It is just to use all these visual boxes from where price has rejected from previous highs and lows, and just practice it. It comes very fast. That's all I can say about it. This is a very simple way of trading without complicating anything. And NASDAQ is very good at these reactions. It's a very good index to trade this way. So I hope you learned something. And if you have any questions, please write them in the comment fields. And yeah, like and subscribe if you think it has given some value. So I'll see you next time.
Tell them you're feeling